This is where we maintain about 250 assets per year. We're currently in the boat shop located at BIO in Dartmouth. We maintain vessels for basically over 3 provinces, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and PEI. Most of the assets are transported here for the annual inspections, maintenance, any repairs required, annual certifications. This is also where we'll have the fire systems, if they're equipped with, annually inspected. We have 9 staff in total. They have a lot of experience between them in maintaining these boats. All these assets are crucial to search and rescue stations. They're crucial to the mission of large fleets, small fleets, and midshore patrol vessels. When the vessel arrives, I have notes from the station if there's any known defects. From there, we fix those known defects, but then we go through our checklist that we've created and we modify as we go on and recognize failures. We can do all the trailer work in-house. We go through the boat, we do the hull and tube inspections, we do the self-righting system inspections, annual certification of those systems, and then the recommended OEM mechanical service interval. That typically can take from a week to 2 to 3 weeks.
I go through looking for things that stand out. Waves are coming over the bow, they're getting hit with waves on the side and so on. It takes a bit of time to scope out where it is, but it's easy to see if there's salt stains all run down on the side of the console, or the terminals are basically green from corrosion.
Makes you feel good when we finish a refit on one of our boats and it's as good as it was made when it was produced. And I told my supervisor several times, I feel so good about that, I'd let my kids drive it, because they do.
It's important that we have a fully maintained workshop with proper equipment and tools, diagnostic equipment. We also have on-site a fully stocked room, and we can complete most repairs without having to order parts and materials. So this location just off the main boat shop is our stock room for materials, repair parts and fluids and filters and anything we're going to need to maintain the assets. This back room back here is where we keep our spare lower ends for engines. We also have some spare outboards that are used for various small craft within fleet. This room here is where we keep all our spare batteries, and it's a charge station for batteries with all the appropriate ventilation systems. We call it the diesel shop, but this is where engines can be rebuilt or overhauled. These are our computer diagnostic stations that can go out to the boats, and we're geared up to do the Yamaha computer diagnostic, BRP, Volvo. We're a very important part of the service because without these assets, the larger assets don't sail. So it's very important that these are functioning properly. I like to know that we're sending out a top quality product so that the end user can do their jobs properly.